If you're experiencing connection errors with your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is active and stable. You can do this by testing the connection on another device, such as a smartphone or computer. If other devices are also having issues, the problem may be with your internet service provider. Step 2. Restart your PS5. Power off your PlayStation 5 completely and unplug it from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This can help reset the network settings and clear temporary glitches. Step 3. Update system software. Go to the settings menu on your PS5 and select system software. Check for any available updates and install them. Keeping your system software up to date can resolve compatibility issues and improve connection stability. Step 4. Check network settings. Navigate to Settings, then Network, and select Test Internet Connection. This will provide information about your connection status and help you identify any specific issues. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet settings are configured correctly. Step 5. Change DNS settings. If you're still experiencing issues, consider changing your DNS settings. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Set up Internet Connection. Choose your connection type, select Advanced Settings, and change the DNS to public DNS like Google's 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8 4.4. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most connection errors on your PlayStation 5. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.